where are you?
Peekaboo! Hi, y'all! Welcome to PacieInTheCity's YouTube channel.
Hey, Pacie.
Hi!
Today is March 9th, and we're back again for your birthday countdown.
It's almost my birthday.
Almost. It's at the end of the month. Alrighty, you ready to open one little toy today?
Let's get opening.
Alrighty.
You know what I usually love all the time when we open these?
What's up?
I usually like opening too.
We gotta be slow about it so it can last until the day before your birthday.
And guess what? I always ask my mommy, when is my birthday?
Oh, and that's why we're doing this countdown. Alrighty, baby girl, let's go. Scissors. Alrighty, here you go.
I need something sharp.
Alright, be careful. Good job.
What did I get? That was a hard shell. What did I get? I think it might be. Don't look at me.
Okay.
Don't look at me right now.
Oh, you think it's the one that you've been wanting? I see a little pink.
What's happening? Okay, whatever.
Take her out.
I know, I can't find the scissors.
It's right there. Pacie got Oklahoma. Hold it up, show it to your pacers.
She's so cute.
She is so cute.
So that's why it was a tough shell.
Yeah, she's from Oklahoma.
So
Are you happy, Pacie Princess?
I'm just glad that I got what I wanted. Do you know what I want next?
What do you want next?
The yellow one, Mississippi.
You want Mississippi?
And New Mexico.
And New Mexico.
And this one, Boston.
Wisconsin.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Alrighty, Pacie. Is there anything you want to tell your patients before we go?
She's just like she wants. Is Oklahoma in the south?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why she's wearing a sweater if it's hot there?
I don't know. Alrighty, friends.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye bye. Just say like and subscribe. Click